In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix the Fashion Nova application not loading or not working. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are a couple of steps you can follow. First is going to be ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the application loads and it's your internet. If that is the case, you can also simply head into your settings tab right over here. And then all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on general, scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and reset network settings. The second thing you want to do is restart the application. So if you have the Fashion Nova application half open, then simply go ahead and put that, close it temporarily, and then simply restart your mobile as well. And now finally go ahead and check if there is any update on the App Store for Fashion Nova. So just open it like that and then click on the Fashion Nova application. As you can see, there's a update. Click on update and that is it. Also disable any VPNs or ad blockers if you have any. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.